Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Yeo Jin-gu and IU's fortune harmony analysis. I was surprised to see the fortune of Yeo Jin-gu and IU. If you are curious about the reason, please stay with me until the end. Soon, you will find the reason along with the explanation of the photo explanation. I analyzed it at the request of a YouTube subscriber, and there was a very interesting story hidden. Yeo Jin-gu and IU had the same letters pointing to themselves. These are the letters that correspond to candles. Candlelight flickers all night. It has a warm-hearted and thoughtful characteristic. I put two candles on the picture, and when they are together, I think they are talking quietly all night. But that's not why I'm surprised. So, what is it? They have letters just below the letters that point to themselves. That means they always meet someone precious to help, even if the letters are different in shape. But the letters mean their spouse. They don't seem to have a kind of relationship that they won't break up easily when they meet. However, Yeo Jin-gu is 4 years young, so it is difficult to push them to date easily because of the age difference. And just below the letter that refers to themselves, Yeo Jin-gu is a spouse's position, but also a letter that refers to children and honor. Yeo Jin-gu is a blessed fortune with a spouse, child, and honor. IU is also a spouse's position, but it also applies to money. It's a very blessed fortune. Yeo Jin-gu has a very natural flow of energy. It shows the artistry, popularity, and wealth. That starts with itself and leads directly to his own honor. IU is blue, and all the circles are combined together and correspond to wealth. It's an amazing fortune that her efforts are directly converted into wealth. But the letters on the arrow mean a collision. But the characters that collide are true for the spouse. The spouse's position has a good meaning, but the fact that she is in conflict with her real spouse can be interpreted as having a slight disagreement with his real spouse or exchanging strong advice. This is because the collisions of letters do not necessarily mean destruction, but they give a sense of life in a large sum of fortunes. Today, I analyzed the fortune harmony of the great actor Yeo Jin-gu and the great singer and actress IU. I think it was a surprising story hidden. I hope they will continue to improve and hope that they will have a good meeting, although no one knows what will happen. Have a healthy and happy life. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.